Hi, everyone. I'm Lena, DevRel Engineer at Celo Foundation. And today I will talk a bit about building on Celo and building apps that solve everyday problems for everyday users. And last week, I think some of you saw it, just for the one that missed it, Celo became an L2 on the OP stack on Ethereum. So we are no longer an L1 that is EVM compatible, but we are an L2 and it's easier than ever to build on Celo. And to celebrate that, we also have the builder stage. You can find us in the workshop room, in the sponsor room, with this like nice background. We also have some tie-dye t-shirts that you can dye right now and later, and also tomorrow. So if you got a t-shirt, you can go with your t-shirt and get it dyed. And we're going to be there. We have like a 6 weeks program to like highlight why you should build on Celo. And this week it's just like reporting live from Taipei. But here's like some, you can already see a hint. And now we'll go into detail on to what it means that we became an L2. So the first thing is that Celo became an L2 built on the OP stack and EigenDA. So this means a lot of things. First of all, Ethereum security, very important. Also in the future, a lot of like easier interoperability. And I will talk now about the 5 reasons why L2 is a great chain to build on, and why you should build on it for this hackathon as well. So the first reason is that it's fast and affordable. As I said, Celo is now built on EigenDA. So transactions have like 1 second block finality and are like subcent. If you would send like 1 Celo, you would see it's like 0.0001 Celo to send. So it's very useful if you build any kind of user applications or AI agent or any kind of application that's very scalable and where you need cheap and fast transactions. And all enabled by EigenDA. 1 second block time, so super fast, especially for any kind of payment apps that you're building, very, very crucial. Reason number 2, Celo is the home of stablecoins. We have more than 15 stablecoins on Celo. We have like 2 euro stablecoins, I think $8 stablecoins, and then a lot of regional stablecoins enabled by Mentor protocol. So they are like native stablecoins on Celo. We have we have the Philippine peso, we have Kenyan shilling, we have Ghanaian cedis, obviously CEuro, CUSD, and many more regional stablecoins coming in the future. So it's very like if you're building any kind of DeFi tools, super interesting. And reason number 3, Celo has a lot of users. Since Celo has been live since 5 years ago, we have been focusing on onboarding real-world users through mainly wallets on mobile. You can see Valora and MiniPay. Together, they have more than 8 million users. Very, very focused on usability, and most of these users are not Web3 users. So you have to like imagine we built for real-world users and real-world use cases. And with the infrastructure that I just described, that really enables this kind of opportunities. Reason number 4, we launched our AI initiative this year, CXAI. You can go to this website and see all our partners that we launched with. You will find also a lot of AI tooling. And we understand that, as I mentioned, like Celo is focused on accessibility. AI is the future of user experience of websites. So obviously we focus like very strongly on AI agents. So this will be a huge part of the Bounties. And yeah, we have AI partnerships with like all the agent frameworks that you know, Eliza, Code, Gaia, and also Nebula from Third Web. Like you can use everything and build on Celo. Reason number 5, and very exciting one, identity. Celo has always had an identity protocol focused on phone numbers, and now we also have that focused on passports. ZK, this is like built on ZK-proof and is called Self Protocol. You've seen it if you came to our booth. Next to our booth is Self Protocol that is built on Celo and provides like provides identity proof. As you can combine those bounties, I will explain that a bit later. But very crucial for any kind of like if you're building any kind of airdrops, payment solutions, and you need some kind of KYC. Super interesting. But they are also looking for any kind of use cases outside of the box and what they thought about. They also have a workshop right after in this room, so just stay around and see their presentation. So our bounties. So we have a pool price to celebrate Celo L2. So every app that deploys on Celo mainnet will be eligible for our 3K price pool. It should be really easy to get Celo. And as I mentioned, transactions are in the sub-cent, and then you just need 1 cent of Celo to deploy your smart contracts. If you struggle to get any Celo, just come to the booth and we will manage. Then obviously best AI agents and best AI tools. So in total 10K cUSD prize money. Here is like the prices more in detail. First prize is 3.5 cUSD, second 1.5 cUSD, and third place is 1,000 cUSD for the best AI agent built on Celo. Then we're also looking for AI agent tooling, so everything that's outside of the agent and kind of enables AI agents. Be creative, understand like kind of what kind of infrastructure you want to build. Come to us. We are looking to support a lot of like projects that plan to build after the hackathon. So like make sure to show face, connect with us on Telegram. And we have a lot of opportunities in our ecosystem for you to get like small grants and funding and also connect to other like the builder community in our ecosystem. So make sure to say hi to me and so we can also stay in contact after. And then we have our pool price that I already announced. Happy Celo L2 months. And yeah, now just like very quick overview, just like to provide you with the resources and the links. As I mentioned, we have the big AI agent frameworks like Gaia, Goat, Nebula, Eliza OS. And if you need any kind of guidance on how to use them on Celo, just come to the booth. We have, obviously, you can use the EVM plugin, but we also have our expert over there who built, very exciting, our AI agent hackathon judge. So all of your projects that you submit will also like be judged by our hackathon agent, and you will receive a review. So you can get like kind of like feedback to your project and see where you can improve and an overall rating, which is very cool. I think it really helps you to see where like your strong points are, with the weak points, and how to improve after the hackathon. And you can find all resources. We have a lot of starter tools and guides for like Goat, for example. Goat, I would recommend always building with Goat. It's the most simple framework to use. And we have like 3 different guides how to use it. Make sure to check it out under Celo. But you will also find all of that linked in the Celo prices. So no worries if you don't write that down. What can you build? We are really looking for real-world use cases. Like, as I mentioned, Celo is for the real-world users. So a lot of like DeFi, like microloans, Forex, lending and borrowing. I have it just deployed on Celo. We have, as I mentioned, a lot of stablecoins. There's also some resources. Like we have a page of build with DeFi where you can find a lot more about DeFi protocols on Celo. Refi and user experience, but basically everything that you can think of that is user focused. Build that on Celo. And then just like an overview what kind of tooling you can start with. We have our own starter kit. which is called Celo Composer. It's linked in our docs as well and in the price. And also, if you're used to using Scaffold-ETH, you can use Celo there as well. It's integrated. And obviously, our faucet. The testnet that you need to use is Alpha Joris. Just like a disclaimer, and the faucet is also linked. Here again, an overview about all of the resources, and then use cases and ideas. Just like some useful tips, focus on your end user. Make sure that your app is user friendly. Yeah, it helps to keep in mind also for your presentation. Keep it simple and make it useful. Think about what would be everyday problems that you are facing. And also, one thing that we also wanted to announce in the Saturday evening, or like during the whole time, but Saturday evening, you can come to our booth and we're happy to review your presentation. I always recommend for a hackathon to practice your presentation early to make sure that people also understand what you're building. Last, just building with purpose and building for all, that which is our motto. And then here you can scan this QR code to come to our prices and find everything in detail and all the resources. If anything is missing, just find us at the booth. If you show face, my recommendation to win prizes is always to build a good relationship with the judging team. But it's great because like if you come and share your ideas with us, obviously we can give you feedback on what we want to see, how you can improve. It's better than just like sitting alone in your little group and not, it just always improves. I did a lot of hackathons and I was always the most successful if I got a lot of feedback from different people. So come find us at the booth, and also make sure, in case you haven't found us at the booth yet, to claim here your collectible and sign up to our builder platform to stay up to date with all upcoming events and hackathons. And that's it from me. Thank you so much. This is also our Discord and my Twitter. And then, yeah, make sure you can also find us in the Celo channel in Discord here for ETHGlobal, obviously. We will be monitoring this. So, yeah, thank you so much. Any questions? Okay. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for coming. Make sure to come around, as I said. We love to hear your ideas. We're looking forward to seeing all of your projects. And yeah, thank you so much.